Dear world, welcome to the Munich Media Speakers Moment. It's a unique opportunity for us, the Munich Media Speakers, to communicate through video, through YouTube, to you, the world. Today, my guest is Carlo Remo, and Carlos is going to tell us, or to speak with us, about humor, and our word of today, humorissimo. Carlo, why do you think is humor so important in our life?
That's a fantastic question, Stefan. I think humor is definitely something that lives here at Toastmasters anyway, and something that we all come here for again and again. The question is, how do we take humor into our life outside of Toastmasters? And the idea is simply, there are so many different ways to see things in life. And why not see them with humor? Because if we don't laugh, things could still be funny. For example, I had a tough time... You know, there's... friends are always friends, and sometimes friends, do things that you don't understand. And a friend of mine, he wasn't talking to me, and I was wondering why not, and what's this all about? And at the end of the day, I thought I better talk to him and confront him with the situation. And luckily, I opened the whole situation and the whole scene in a very funny way. And I said, well, why do you do that? And I said it in a way that made him laugh. And the good thing was, we had a challenge, but we could solve it with humor. And that totally accelerated the whole process. And that's why we didn't talk about a problem. We were actually laughing about the problem, and it was solved pretty quickly, immediately. So that's the power of humor. And I think we can, do that every day.
Completely agree. Thank you for your very valid evaluation, wrong word maybe, but assessment of humor in our lives. Thanks.
You're welcome.